So we're back from Paris to a wet and windy London, and Rachel woke up this morning and she was like, I want a really good sandwich. The thing about London, like, it's a really good thing, but you can't just get like a classic sandwich. Like Rachel wants like a cheese and pickle sandwich. You can only get like banh mi, a Vietnamese sandwich, or like ceviche. These things are great, but you can't just get a traditional sandwich. So we're gonna go out and we're gonna find the best sandwich in London. I have a feeling we're gonna have just a banh mi or something. A lot of the places I looked up, they're closed. We're gonna go out, we're gonna find the best sandwich in London. The place we're going to is Viet Populaire, and they do Vietnamese banh mi, and it's in a place called the Arcade Food Hall, located in Tottenham Court Road's Centre Point building. This is cool. So we've been seated at a table, and rather than just going to vendors in question, you can actually sit at a table and you've got a menu of all the different places, and you actually just order. So we don't have to go to this place, we can actually order one dish from each place in theory, and it'll arrive at the table. Pretty cool. It's fancy.
I want the tofu banh mi, I think, but
Have they got a vegan one? Veggie one? Nice. So we've ordered 2 banh mi. It's vegetarian, so we ordered mine without mayo. And I wanted Rachel to order this thing. So grilled cactus, so gotta try that. They just bring it to the table, so looking forward to it. This is the place here, this is where we're getting our food from. Really excited. Okay, so the grilled cactus is here. Look at this. So it's got feta, is it?
no, that's queso.
Oh, it's queso. Mexican cheese.
Yeah.
Where's the cactus? There's that big blob. Gonna try it?
I don't know how I'm gonna eat it.
It's just like a taco.
I'm gonna make the right mess there, aren't I?
How is it?
Actually, really good.
Is it?
Yeah.
Wow. What's it taste like?
I can't explain what it tastes like.
Any examples?
It's like nothing I've ever tasted before.
Really?
Yeah. I don't know what it is.
How weird is it on a scale of 1 to 10?
It's pretty weird.
So the verdict is in, and she likes it. Any good? Might get another one in a minute. Food here looks incredible. Wow, look at that. You want to dive in? How is it? Is it good? There really is no clean way to do that, but it's amazing, isn't it? Really good. Wow. So fragrant. So this place used to have a shop in Rupert Street in Soho, and they closed down. I didn't realise at the time that it's a pop-up. So they've been popping up all over London, and we're just so lucky that they're here at Centre Point. It's amazing. The spice salt is what makes it really good. So the tofu is really good, as is the bread, but it's the spice salt really does it for me. Toilets here are really cool. I can't believe I'm taking you on a tour to the toilets, but let's come and have a look. place is really nice, like Centre Point has really opened up the last few years. It's good they have all these food places as well. There's definitely more Asian influence in London. It's good to see. So after all that food, Rachel was deciding that she wants to go and get ice cream. He had the most incredible ice cream in Paris. The thing is, I've been living in London now for about 15, almost 16 years, and it's changed so much. Like this area of Tottenham Court Road especially really has changed. So what was previously music venues, things like that, completely gone. Department stores, this new theatre here. Anyway, look, how do I give you? It just popped up out of nowhere. One big change has happened here. It's become a lot more foodie. So we're about to go to Soho, and when I first moved to London, Soho was a little bit dingy. My personal opinion, it was better. But obviously it's become a lot more foodie. Globalization really taken over, and that's the great thing. So we're going to go to Soho where you can get incredible ice cream. So let's do it. Never would have thought it when I moved here like 15, 16 years ago. But actually, incredibly, people actually name drop London as being a prominent place to go and get great food. It's quite astonishing really, and I'm so proud. It's been 24 hours since we left Paris, and really missing it to be honest, but this is really helping coming to Soho and just seeing the incredible things that are going on in my home city. Okay, so I got Rachel the toffee and the caramel, and myself, I didn't know they did vegan options, but they've got chocolate and they've got strawberry, so they very kindly did me half of each. Just eat that first.
So good. What's this one?
Darker one is the toffee.
It's the caramel.
Yeah. Any good?
So good.
I'm not going to try each, I'm going to try both together. This is so good. None of this stupid like sorbet stuff. The proper ice cream, it's amazing. Those of you who don't know, I tried this ice cream place in Paris. So when we went to Place de Vosges, Rachel really wanted ice cream. We found this place and we didn't know that it was a global chain. So it's really amazing to try this in London, just across right away. So there we go, short video today, but we completed the mission to go and find the best sandwich in London. Banh mi is probably my favourite sandwich, and that was the best banh mi I've ever had. So what makes it good is the tofu was perfect. The bread was really, really fluffy. So yeah, if you're around the area, go and try it, it's amazing. But thanks for joining us, and we'll see you again soon.